In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your personal budget in Notion. Whether you're new to Notion or a seasoned user, setting up a financial tracker in this tool can greatly improve how you manage your finances. With Notion's versatile features, you can create a personalized and efficient budgeting system tailored just for you. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to create a new page in Notion. This will serve as the foundation for your budget tracker. Open up Notion and go to your workspace. On the sidebar, you'll find the option to add a new page. Click on it, and you'll see a blank page appear. This is where you'll start building your budget tracker. Once your new page is open, it's time to give it a name. A good descriptive name such as Personal Budget Tracker will make it easy to locate in your workspace and will remind you of its purpose each time you open it. Naming your page is the first step in organizing your financial journey in Notion. To make your page more visually appealing and easier to navigate, you can add an icon and a cover. These elements are not just for aesthetics. They also serve practical purposes. The icon can act as a quick visual cue, and the cover can add a personal touch, making your budgeting experience more enjoyable. Remember, a workspace you love will motivate you to use it regularly. Now that your page is named and styled, it's time to build the core of your budget tracker. Type in the command #tableview to create a new database. This database is where you'll input and track all your financial information. A table view is particularly effective for budgeting because it allows you to see multiple pieces of information in a clear, organized manner. To customize your table, you'll need to decide on the columns and properties you wish to track. These might include income, expenses, category, date, and notes. Consider what information is most important for your budgeting needs. For instance, if you often track different sources of income, you might want to add a column for income description. Tailor your database columns to fit your personal financial goals. Creating useful views is the next step in enhancing your budget tracker. These views can be customized to show specific categories of your budget, such as monthly expenses, yearly summaries, or even different types of expenses like groceries or entertainment. By tailoring the views, you can check in on various financial aspects effortlessly. Finally, don't forget to add filters to your database. Filters allow you to choose which pieces of information you'd like to focus on at any given time. For example, you can filter your expenses by month or category to get a clearer picture of where your money is going. Filters are a powerful tool in making your budget tracker both dynamic and informative. And there you have it, a comprehensive personal budget tracker in Notion. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering your personal finances in a structured and visually engaging way. Thanks for watching, and happy budgeting!